Why is crypto down today? October 6, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. As BTC managed to set the new high above $125,000, we can expect $145,000 sometime around the end of year/early next year, says John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist, Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 hours ago. The crypto market is down today, with the cryptocurrency market capitalization falling by 0.9%, now standing at $4.33 trillion. Fewer than 10 of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $193 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is down 0.9% on Monday morning, UTC. 92 of the top 100 coins are down, as are 9 of the top 10 coins. BTC is down 1.1% to $123,375. And ETH fell 1.2% to $4,535. After BTC broke the $125,000 barrier, we can expect $145,000 in the midterm. BTC's ADH is driven from the top down. Volatility will pop up, but the base case for this bull cycle is solid. Both US BTC and ETH spot ETFs recorded a fifth straight day of inflows on Friday, with $985.08 million and $233.55 million, respectively. US spot Bitcoin ETFs marked the second largest week of inflows ever. Crypto market sentiment hit the point last seen in mid-August. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, dropped 1.1%, currently trading at $123,375. Bitcoin, BTC, $123, for 33.02 plus 10.12% 24H730D1Y all-time. Ethereum, ETH, is down by 1.2%, now changing hands at $4,535. Dogecoin, Doge, recorded the highest drop of 3.4% to the price of $0.255. It's followed by XRP, S2.9%, now standing at $2.97. The only green coin in this category is Binance Coin, BNB, having appreciated 2% to $1,200. Looking at the top 100 coins, we find that 8 are up, the highest of which is Provenance Blockchain, Hash, with 13.4% to $0.03745. It's the only one with a double-digit rise. Of the red coins, the highest drops are PumpFun, Pump, and Athena, ENA, which dropped by 9.4% and 8.5% to $0.006455 and $0.5751. Meanwhile, the debasement trade has gained traction amid growing national debts and political instability. This has prompted a retreat from fiat assets and into other assets, including crypto. Bitcoin's surge past $125,000, and gold's new highs highlight mounting demand for hard assets. Bitcoin readies for $145,000. John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn, argued that once BTC sets the new high above $125,000, we can expect $145,000 sometime around the end of year/early next year. That said, Glover expects to see the emergence of a bear market next year, which will take us lower. The depth of this sell-off is TBD. According to Kyle Chasse, founder of MV Global, BTC's ADH is driven from the top down. Spot ETF flows are vacuuming up supply every day. That's the clearest sign Wall Street is here. October helps, and the market is shrugging off the US shutdown headlines and political noise, because Bitcoin is the neutral, non-sovereign asset people use as insurance against policy risk and fiat debasement. Chasse agreed that $145,000 by year-end is very doable, particularly if ETF inflows continue anywhere near current run rates. Volatility will pop up, but the base case for this bull cycle is solid, Chasse concludes. Moreover, David Seymour, CEO and co-founder of Wave Digital Assets, commented that BTC's ADH is a reflection of factors driving demand higher. Catalysts include ETF inflows and the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate cuts. Add to macro uncertainty surrounding the U.S. government shutdown, and you've got an environment where even modest demand creates outsized moves, says Seymour. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Monday morning, BTC trades at $123,375. It hit its latest all-time high of $125,506 on October 5, falling 1.5% since. Its lowest point today was $122,538. Overall, BTC is up 10.5% in a week and 11.6% in a month. Should Bitcoin maintain the price above $121,000, it could move to break $128,000. After this, the $130,000 level would come into sight. That said, the coin may move below $120,000 again. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,535. Its intraday high was $4,593, after which the coin plunged to the low of $4,481. However, it quickly recuperated to the current level. Overall, ETH is 10.7% in a week and 5.8% in a month, slightly outperforming BTC in the former time frame. The coin could now move above the $4,600 mark and into the $4,660 zone. Conversely, should the market continue to go down, ETH could retreat to the $4,400 level or lower. Ethereum, ETH, $4, 537.08 plus 10.08% 24H730D1Y all-time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has increased again within the neutral zone. The crypto fear and greed index jumped from 42 on the first day of this month to 59 today. Notably, this is the highest value seen in 30 days. The previous day that recorded this value was August 15th. ETFs are strongly green. Moreover, the US BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs, recorded massive inflows on Friday, with $985.08 million. The cumulative net inflow has surpassed $60 billion and now stands at $60.05 billion. Of the 12 ETFs, half saw inflows, and there were no outflows. BlackRock is at the top of this list again, taking a giant chunk of the day's total with $791.55 million. The next one is Fidelity with $69.58 million. Notably, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs drew in $3.24 billion last week, marking the second largest week of inflows since launching in January 2024. The U.S. ETFs also recorded inflows of $233.55 million on October 3rd for the fifth day in a row. The cumulative total net inflow is now at $14.42 billion. 4 of the 9 finds saw positive flows, and none noted negative flows. BlackRock leads this list with $206.71 million in inflows, followed by Grayscale's $17.88 billion. Meanwhile, the Morgan Stanley Global Investment Committee, GIC, has advised clients to allocate a small portion of their portfolios to cryptocurrency. They've recommended between 2% and 4% depending on risk appetite, from wealth conservation at 0% to opportunistic growth at a maximum of 4%. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has decreased over the past day, and major stock indexes saw a mixed picture on Friday following new all-time highs. By the closing time on October 3rd, the S&P 500 was up by 0.0066%, the Nasdaq 100 decreased by 0.43%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.51%. Notably, the U.S. government shutdown will delay the release of economic data, including the jobs report. Is this dip sustainable? Pullbacks after a rally are expected, and consolidations are often healthy, helping form the base for the next leg up. Analysts don't think we'll be seeing a bear market just yet. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 6, 2025. Crypto market is showing extremely bullish signals with Bitcoin hitting an all-time high over the weekend and currently holding steady near $123,800, while Ethereum trades above $4,530. According to CoinGlass, $428 million in liquidations took place in the past 24 hours, including $186 million from longs and $243 million from shorts. Bitcoin positions saw $54.4 million in long liquidations and $144 million in shorts, while Ethereum recorded $34.9 million in long and $41.6 million in short. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Swift partners with Ethereum firm. Is Ripple losing the payments race it started? New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Pi by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. World's largest exchange moves to 24/7 trading for crypto. Is this the start of full Wall Street adoption? Solana price prediction. World's largest derivatives exchange ICE SOL $1,000 SOL is just the start. Bitcoin price prediction. After ADH, only $128,000 stands between BTC and an exponential rise to $160,000. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts explosive gains for XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. For days ago, by Tim Hackey. Bitcoin news. Live Bitcoin price updates. BTC price explodes to new ADH above $125,000. Is $150,000 next? 1 day ago, by Ristina Yordanova. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $3.12 breakout or new decline. What's next? 20 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Ben Beto.